to Pama tutorial. This is a continuation of our CSS tutorial. So remember we did internal CSS and we did inline CSS. Today we're going to do extended CSS. Extended CSS is the best CSS to use. Extended CSS is going to create a separate file, give it a name and say .css. And I'm going to show you how you can be able to link your extended CSS to your HTML. So how can I do it? So I'll come back to this folder that I created, click on this like this. So I come to file and I can pull index, or let's say I can pull extended .html. So press the tab key, and I already show you how to put a different HTML element. So press this shape 1 and I press the tab key. That created another one. So I come here like this. We need to create two files. So I come here like this and I say X extended.css. Sorry, extended.css, and I press the tab key. So I get my extended.html and I get my extended.css. So extended.css, as I was saying, is the best way of using CSS, because if you use inline and internal, when your code gets bulky, you become confused. But extended is where you have a separate CSS code in a separate file. So now I can come here like this, and I can come here, just say title, let me say extended CSS. Yeah, so I can see extended CSS. So I can write a comment here like this. So this is how you write comment in your HTML. So I can put that this is how you link your extended CSS to HTML. So that's doing it. Let's see how you can be able to link it now. So the first thing is you have to use the keyword called link. So link is a HTML element. So I can say link so the link is already here. So we have a link, and we have relative, and we have the href. So the relative gives the status, so we're dealing with start sheet, and the href show the location of where our CSS is. So for example, I can come here to Apple // and see my CSS. So I click on my CSS. So you see it? So I can come here like this and I just save this. Now let's come to our body now. Let's pull our, let's just say H1. So H1. So there are 6 headings. So the smaller the letter, the bigger the heading, the bigger the number, the smaller is the writing. So I can come here like this and I say extender. So I can come here and pull extender. So I can pull extender CSS. Okay. So if I save this my code and I run it in the browser, you see that I will see extended CSS. So let's come here to go live. So go live is another way to you can be able to run the code. So you see it? Now this is not beautiful, this is ugly. So to make it beautiful, I need to use CSS. So I come back here, I come here, Okay, so when I come here, I come to my CSS. So this is my external.css separate file that I've created. So I can come here, and if I want to, I can put comment, but if I don't want to, so I already show you how to write comment. So now I can come here like this. So to write comment in CSS, external CSS, so you come here like this, you put a forward slash, you go to a star sign, you press the shape in it, and you press the forward slash. Okay. So you press forward slash. So you can come between here now. You can come here, put one more there, one more star sign. So you can come here and say working. And put working with extended CSS. Okay, so this is it. So the first thing I want to my body. So now in this one now we're using curly braces. So we press shift and you press the curly braces, you enter. So I can say background. So let's say background color. Let's make the background color black. Let's just make it black. So I can come here and save this, and I can come back here. So you see background color turn black. But now I cannot see my writing as well. The font that I put there, I cannot see it. So let's come here like this and come back. So we need to call all the properties that we use. So since later on we'll do a class and RD, we'll learn how to use class and RD. So I come and say H1 for my curly braces, because at times if you don't, the reason why we could that we use class and RD, because maybe we'll get multiple of H1. So every H1 we have, we need to assign a class and or RD to be able to style different way. Now so I put my H1 there and I say color. So let's say color. So remember when we say color, we're referring to the text. So this is the text color. So look, now when I come here, so you see my text color turned red. Now let's get rid of background. Let's say background. Let's say background color. Let's make it white. So background color white. So see, when I come here like this, you see background color too. So I want to make it a little bit bigger. Make it big. That out front. Okay, that increase the font size. So let's say font size. Let's make it 15 pixel. And font family. Yep. So font family. So I can say font family. So font family. Let's make it. Let's use model space. Very good. And the height of that background that we use, let's say 100 pixel. Let's see if we can see how we're looking at. So I can come here. Okay, so you see, then 100 pixels. So this is 100 pixel. If you want to, you can reduce it. If you want to, you can make it like 80 pixel. So let's make this 80 pixel. Let's see. So 80 pixel. So you see, make it 80 pixel. Now I want for the text to come in the center. So we need to use text alignment. So I come here to my Visual Studio Code and I come here and I can say text alignment, and I can put center. So I can save it, and you did that test. See, the test is giving the center. So if I want to, I can even add margin there. I can say margin top, and I can see let's say 5 pixel. Save it. So 5 pixel. So you see, so it comes down a little bit. So this is how we use extended CSS. This is how we use extended CSS. So thank you for watching. This is Burma tutorial. So the next one we're going to learn about how to work with class and ID. Thank you for watching.